Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about how to divide rational expressions.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here. We want to divide p³+q³ over 2p² plus 2pq plus 2q² divided by our second rational expression, p² minus q² over 6. Now I'm going to use this little formula here to help factor this when we get there, and my next video, and I'll put a link in the description, will show how we get that formula if you care to watch it. It's pretty nice. Alright, well, first thing I want to do here is I'm going to rewrite this problem, and I don't like division. I always like to rewrite these as multiplication problems. It's a little easier. So to do that, our first part here, I have p³ plus a q³, q³ is always hard to say, over a 2p² plus a 2pq plus a 2q². Now instead of division, I'll put multiplication here, and we flip the second expression. 6 is in the numerator, and we have p² minus q² in the denominator. Now from here, what we want to do is factor what we can in each part. Right here, p³ plus a q³, using my little formula here, is a p plus a q. Alright, p's are a's, q's are b's, times a p² minus a pq plus a q². Alright, so we have the first part multiplied by, and instead of 6, let's roll 2 times 3. Denominator. Now notice here, I got a 2 in each part. Let's pull that out. 2 comes out, and we have a p² plus a pq plus a q². From there, we multiply that out, and we want to, well, how do we factor p² minus q²? And that's going to be a p+q times a p minus q. And that's one's pretty common, so if you want to memorize that, it's a good one to have memorized. All right, now where can we go from here? What can we cancel? That's always what I'm looking for. 2's cancel. Pretty easy. p+q, p+q. Cancel. Now I know what you're thinking. You're really hoping this cancels, right? They're almost the same. We got a minus and a plus sign. No, not the same. Can't really cancel that. So we're left with here 3 in the numerator times a p² minus a pq plus a q² all over, don't forget the p minus q, right here, and I have a p² plus a pq plus a q². And there we have it. We don't have to simplify it anymore because it can't really be simplified anymore. Sometimes it looks a little gnarly, don't be afraid of that. But anyway, we simplified our problem, and we got 3 times p² minus pq plus q² over p minus q times a p² plus pq plus q². And again, if you want to see the little proof, it'll be in the next video, and again, link in the description below. Well, I hope you learned something here on how to divide rational expressions, and if you did, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This helps us make more of these free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.